Step into a realm where history, faith, and human endeavor converge. Makkah, a name that resonates with profound spiritual significance, stands as a timeless beacon for billions. This journey will unveil its extraordinary evolution, from ancient desert outpost to the spiritual epicenter of the Muslim world, inviting both the devout and the discerning historian to explore its enduring legacy. Makkah's story begins not with cities, but with a divine command and an act of profound faith. According to revered Islamic tradition, this barren valley was chosen by God for Prophet Abraham, who, alongside his wife Hagar and infant son Ishmael, established the earliest foundations of human settlement here. The miraculous gushing forth of the Zamzam well, a source of life in the desolate landscape, marked this spot as truly blessed. This sacred spring attracted early nomadic tribes, fostering a nascent community around its life-giving waters. The Kaaba, a simple cube-shaped structure, was initially built by Prophet Ibrahim and Ishmael as a house of worship dedicated to the one God. It served as a focal point for devotion, drawing pilgrims even in those ancient times. Over centuries, the original monotheistic message became diluted, and the Kaaba, while still revered, gradually housed idols representing various pagan deities. Yet its status as a sanctuary, a place of peace and pilgrimage, remained deeply ingrained in the Arabian consciousness. This pre-Islamic reverence laid a unique groundwork for its future role. By the 5th century CE, the powerful Quraysh tribe had ascended to prominence, seizing control of Makkah and its sacred precincts. Their astute leadership and mercantile genius transformed the city from a mere watering hole into a bustling economic hub. Makkah's strategic location, nestled in the Hejaz region, proved invaluable. It became a crucial crossroads, connecting the vibrant trade routes stretching from Yemen in the south to Syria and the Byzantine Empire in the north. The Quraysh skillfully negotiated ilaf, covenants or treaties, with surrounding tribes, ensuring safe passage for their caravans. This network facilitated the exchange of goods like spices, perfumes, textiles, and precious metals, bringing immense wealth and influence to Makkah. The city's economic prosperity fostered a sophisticated social structure, with powerful merchant families dominating its affairs. Makkah was not merely a marketplace, it was a cultural melting pot where ideas, poetry, and traditions converged. This era of commercial dominance solidified Makkah's regional importance, setting the stage for its pivotal role in world history. Makkah's destiny was irrevocably altered with the birth of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, around 570 CE. It was within its hallowed confines in the cave of Hira that he received the first divine revelations of the Quran, marking the advent of Islam. The message of monotheism, calling for the worship of Allah alone, challenged the established polytheistic practices and the socio-economic order of the Quraysh. Initially, the Prophet and his early followers faced intense persecution, leading to their historic migration, Hijrah, to Medina in 622 CE. However, Makkah remained central to the nascent Muslim community's spiritual identity. After years of struggle and perseverance, Prophet Muhammad returned triumphantly to Makkah in 630 CE. This pivotal event, known as the Conquest of Makkah, saw the peaceful surrender of the city. Upon his return, the Prophet personally oversaw the cleansing of the Kaaba, removing the idols and re-establishing its sanctity as the exclusive house of worship for Allah. This act symbolized the triumph of monotheism and cemented Makkah's status as the holiest city in Islam. It became the Qibla, the direction towards which Muslims worldwide turn in prayer, and the ultimate destination for the annual Hajj pilgrimage. Following the Prophet's era, Makkah continued to flourish as the spiritual heart of the rapidly expanding Islamic empire. Successive caliphates and dynasties, from the Umayyads and Abbasids to the Ottomans, recognized and honored its unique status. They invested in its infrastructure, expanding the Masjid al-Haram, Grand Mosque, and ensuring the safety and comfort of pilgrims. Makkah became a vibrant center of Islamic scholarship, attracting scholars and students from across the globe. Throughout the centuries, despite political shifts and geographical distances, Makkah remained the unwavering focal point of Muslim devotion. The annual Hajj pilgrimage, an obligation for every able-bodied Muslim, transformed the city into a global gathering of faith. Millions converged, transcending ethnic, linguistic, and national boundaries, united by their devotion to Allah and their shared spiritual journey. This continuous influx of pilgrims fostered a unique cosmopolitan culture within Makkah. It became a living testament to the unity of the Muslim ummah community, a place where the rich tapestry of Islamic civilization was woven and celebrated. Its spiritual magnetism has never waned, drawing hearts and minds towards its sacred precincts for over 14 centuries. The 20th and 21st centuries have witnessed unprecedented transformations in Makkah, driven by the ever-increasing number of pilgrims. The challenge has been immense: how to accommodate millions while preserving the city's sacred heritage and ensuring a profound spiritual experience. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, as the custodian of the two holy mosques, has undertaken monumental expansion projects. The Masjid al-Haram has undergone multiple phases of enlargement, dramatically increasing its capacity to host worshippers. Surrounding infrastructure has been meticulously developed, including state-of-the-art transportation networks, modern hotels, and advanced healthcare facilities. These developments aim to streamline the pilgrimage experience, making it safer, more accessible, and comfortable for all. While modernization has brought significant changes to Makkah's skyline, the core spiritual essence remains untouched. The Kaaba continues to stand as the focal point of devotion, and the rituals of Hajj and umrah continue to be performed with unwavering reverence. Makkah today is a testament to a dynamic balance, a city embracing progress while steadfastly upholding its timeless spiritual identity. It continues to inspire, educate, and unite Muslims globally, serving as a powerful symbol of faith's enduring power. Makkah's journey through history is a profound narrative of faith, resilience, and continuous transformation. From its ancient origins rooted in divine command to its current status as a modern metropolis, its spiritual significance has only deepened. It stands as a living testament to the enduring power of belief, a place where millions find solace, unity, and a profound connection to their Creator. We invite you to delve deeper into the rich tapestry of Makkah's history and its profound impact on global civilization. Explore its architectural marvels, understand the intricate rituals of Hajj, and reflect on the spiritual lessons it offers. Share this knowledge, engage in respectful dialogue, and let the story of Makkah inspire a greater appreciation for cultural heritage and the universal human quest for meaning.